All right, a quick little help on number 18. Just little things came up, and I thought this would be a nice way to clear it up. Hope they kept this short and sweet. I'll also send out the PDF of these as well. So the thing you want to watch out for, like things we talked about today, you really want that first number in the denominator to be a 1. You want that to be a minus between the two. And a quick way to fix that plus and turn it to a minus is to turn around the difference that's in that parenthesis. Make it 8 minus x. That's part of it. Now, from there, what we're doing is we're setting it up in what looks like a geometric series sum. And that means we can take that 8 minus x as our r, and plug it in to the nth power. Now, that's all centered at 0, and that's what we've been talking about most of the time. Well, these answers have this offset shift to n equals 1, and it's a quick fix. So the first thing you need to do is just add 1 to the n counter, but what you would do to your exponents, or any n's that you have in your expression, in the summation, you subtract 1. You kind of counter it. So you add 1 to the starting value, but you take away 1 from all the n's within the sum itself, plug it back in, so it's 8 minus x to the n minus 1, done. Now, then it asks, probably, I don't remember what the next part of this problem is, but most of the time it's what's the center, radius, and or interval of convergence. You would use the ratio test in this case, so you want to use n plus 1 form divided by the nth regular form. There's no fraction here, so you're not going to multiply by a reciprocal. It's just the n plus 1 version over the n form. The minus 1 and plus 1 on top cancel. Now the numerator has 1 more degree than the denominator, so it's just 8 minus x to the first. That needs to be less than 1. We force it. There are absolute values in there, which offers us the chance to, we can turn that around and make it x minus 8. It's like factoring out a negative 1, but with an absolute value it doesn't matter, so it's just x minus 8 less than 1, which gives us a center of 8 and a radius of 1. And then we can run an interval, negative 8 less than x less than positive 8. Usually we would test the end points, and we do actually. It's just a really easy test. If you plug negative 8 or 8 in here, you get a number to the power of n minus 1 that is, those values are 1 or greater, so it's going to diverge. So there's no equal signs in those inequalities. That's it for 18. I'll send along the notes.